Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your Messenger story. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and log into your account and connect with the good internet to delete your story. So whenever you logged in, you will see over here at the bottom a bunch of options over here: notification, stories, chats, and menu. You have to simply click on stories, and then you will comes in this section, and you have to simply click on your story, and then you will see on the top three dots, speaker and cross. Click on three dots, and then you will see over here down menu pop-ups, and you will see over here delete option over here. Simply click on delete and delete your story. As you can see on the bottom, you will see deleting. So as you can see, the story is deleted. There is no story, and that's how you can add your story on delete your story on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.